Harbor Boys of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. This same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Let severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test and now return to regular programming.